It is quite simple to wield the power of the universe. Do you know how to do it? What if I told you that there was one principle, one law that determines the entire course of your life? What you accomplish, what you fail at, what you don't even attempt. Does that sound interesting to you? Perhaps it sounds too good to be true. Of course, you would be interested in an idea that could transform your life with ease, but does it really exist? I understand the hesitation, but it isn't as mystical and mysterious as you might think. It's simple psychology. Watch this video until the end, and you'll learn how to control the power of the self-fulfilling prophecy to stop self-sabotage, break free from your limiting beliefs, and accomplish anything you could want in your life. So, what is this law? In a world often dictated by external circumstances, the law of assumption serves as a beacon of empowerment, reminding us of the immense influence our thoughts, beliefs, and decisions wield in shaping our reality. Rooted in the teachings of Neville Goddard, this law emphasizes the profound impact of assuming the feeling of our desires already being realized. In this world where we are creators, assumption becomes reality. Our thoughts, beliefs, and decisions serve as the cornerstone of our reality, acting as the lens through which we perceive and interact with the world. The law of assumption posits that whatever assumptions we hold about ourselves and our environment inevitably materialize into our truth, the self-fulfilling prophecy. The law of assumption encourages us to transcend mere wishful thinking and instead immerse ourselves in the feeling of our desires already being fulfilled. This shifts our focus from lack to abundance, instilling within us a deep sense of expectancy and confidence, from wanting to knowing feeling you already have it. Emitting a vibrational frequency, our assumptions act as magnetic forces, drawing corresponding experiences into our lives. This phenomenon, often referred to as the law of attraction, but it is actually the combination of the laws of vibration and resonance, underscores the pivotal role our beliefs and assumptions play in shaping the circumstances we encounter. By assuming the feeling of our wish fulfilled, we engage the subconscious mind, a reservoir of untapped potential, planting the seeds of our desires in its fertile soil. Through consistent reinforcement, these assumptions take root and manifest into tangible experiences, aligning our reality with our aspirations. Understanding the dynamics of the subconscious mind is paramount in mastering the law of assumption. Visualization serves as a potent tool in this endeavor, allowing us to vividly imagine our desires as already realized. By conjuring detailed mental images of our goals, we engage the creative faculties of the mind, priming it to manifest our aspirations into reality. Visualization and assumption lay the groundwork for manifestation, but they must be accompanied by tangible action. Action serves as the bridge between the inner realm of intention and the outer world of manifestation, transforming our desires into concrete reality. However, visualization alone is not sufficient. To amplify its effectiveness, we must align our emotions with our envisioned outcomes. Emotion serves as the fuel that propels our intentions forward, imbuing them with energy and vibrancy. By evoking the feelings associated with the attainment of our desires, whether it be joy, gratitude, or fulfillment, we amplify the potency of our visualization practice. Living as if our desires have already been achieved completes the trifecta of manifestation. This involves adopting the mindset, behaviors, and habits of the person who has already realized their goals. By embodying the characteristics of our desired reality, confidence, abundance, resilience, we bridge the gap between the present moment and our envisioned future, making it more tangible and accessible. Releasing doubts and fears is essential in maintaining unwavering faith in the manifestation process. Doubt acts as a barrier to manifestation, disrupting the flow of energy and intention. Through practices such as mindfulness, journaling, and affirmations, we can identify and release limiting beliefs, clearing the path for the realization of our desires. Believe in your ability to manifest your desires and shape your reality. You possess within you the creative power of the universe, waiting to be unleashed. By aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with positive assumptions, you tap into this reservoir of potential and pave the way for extraordinary growth and transformation. Focusing on one desire at a time allows us to channel our energy and attention with laser-like precision. By prioritizing our goals and breaking them down into manageable steps, we avoid overwhelm and maintain clarity and focus. Each small step taken brings us closer to our desired outcome, reinforcing our belief in the manifestation process. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude amplifies the potency of our manifestations. By acknowledging and appreciating the blessings and abundance already present in our lives, we signal to the universe our readiness to receive more. Gratitude acts as a magnet, drawing towards us experiences and opportunities aligned with our highest good. Consistency is key in the manifestation journey. By committing to daily practices that support our goals, whether it's visualization, affirmations, acting as if, or inspired action, we create momentum towards our desired reality. Through unwavering dedication and perseverance, we lay the foundation for lasting success and fulfillment. Trusting in divine timing allows us to surrender the need for control and surrender to the flow of life. While it's essential to take inspired action towards our goals, we must also relinquish attachment to specific outcomes and trust that the universe has our best interests at heart. By surrendering to the unfolding of events, we open ourselves up to serendipity, synchronicity, and unexpected blessings. Trust in the inherent wisdom of the universe and the divine orchestration of events. Even when things may not unfold according to your timeline or expectations, have faith that everything is unfolding as it should. By relinquishing control and surrendering to the flow of life, you open yourself up to miracles, blessings, and unexpected opportunities that can lead you to the fulfillment of your deepest desires. In the journey of self-discovery and manifestation, the law of assumption emerges as a guiding principle, illuminating the path toward a reality defined by intentionality and purpose. By embodying the feeling of our desires already being realized, reframing our assumptions, and aligning our beliefs with our highest aspirations, we unlock the boundless potential that resides within us. As we navigate the intricacies of our inner landscape, let us remember the transformative power we hold, the power to shape our reality and craft a future beyond our wildest dreams. Now that you know the power of assumption, the next step is to unleash the power of your mind and thoughts. You can do that by watching this video here.